Welcome back, guys. So today I want to just show you how to deploy AWS Lambda in AWS platform using Terraform. So I just want to show you how to use Terraform. And so we have to consider only three things. It will be a very short video, but I just want to make sure that you have everything. I want to demonstrate end to end. So I want to have a demo where you can actually deploy Lambda in AWS using Terraform very quickly. So first thing we want to make sure we have the Terraform CLI installed in our local machine. Again, this is for demonstration. If you are working, maybe if you want to do this in production, there's some stuff you need to be careful. But just for demonstration, make sure that you understand how it works end to end. First, you have to install the Terraform CLI. Number two, you have to, once we install the Terraform CLI, number two, we have to establish the connection between the Terraform CLI and the AWS server. And number three, we have to deploy our Lambda, and I'll actually show that just quick. So to install the Terraform CLI, just go to Google and just type install Terraform, and then it will actually take you to this page right here. So depending on your machine, you come here and then you download the Terraform CLI. Once that is installed, you should be able to run Terraform commands. There are only 3 Terraform commands: init, plan, and apply. Okay. So once that is actually installed, we have to establish the connection between the Terraform CLI in your local machine and the AWS account. So that's what I want to show you. For that, we need to actually grab the access key and the secret key ID. So those will enable us to access the AWS account. So you go down here on your top right hand, upper top right, and then scroll down to your account ID, and then go down to security credentials to take you to this page right here, and then click these access keys here. So for my case, so for this, I believe free-tier account, they only allow only 2 keys, already generated 2 keys. It's very simple. Just click this, create a new access key, and then it will actually generate you an access key ID and a secret access key. Excuse me. So you copy those. Once you copy those, you go to your terminal. So whatever terminal you're using. I'm using the VS Code terminal. So this is my terminal. So once you have those, you just click the you have to use this command right here, AWS config. So AWS config means I'm configuring my access key and secret key ID in my local machine. Once I do this command, what it will do, it will actually create the AWS folder where all my all the access keys and secret key ID will be present. So you just click enter. So you can see here it will ask you the AWS access key. So for my case, I've already provided one. So for you just have to copy that, because you won't have that yet. If you don't have that yet, just copy over here and then click next. It will ask you for the secret access key. You copy paste the secret access key as well, and then there's a default region. In my case, I already put the US East, and then the default support format, this is none. For demonstration, I just leave that empty, and then you're done. Now, so that's it. That's once you do that, that's all we're done. So the connection between your CLI and the AWS will be established. Now you can run your commands, and you should be able to deploy your Lambda. So for this demonstration, I just want to show you how to deploy a Lambda. You can see this is my Lambda here. Now, in order for a Lambda, this is a very basic Lambda, to actually function, you need to have a lol. So you need to have created a lol and the function name, because we are creating a function. And then you need to have the code which you want to run inside your Lambda. Lambda is nothing but a computing machine, so you need a code to run that. So I already created the code right here. My code is actually this one right here, and then I just zip it. And then you need to have a provider. The provider will use the access key ID and second key ID we configured here to establish the connection to AWS account. And that here, this is a law, which, like I said, Lambda. In order to create Lambda, you need a role and a function name. So those are the required fields, only 2 fields. The rest of the fields, there's a lot of fields, just optional. So for demonstration, I just provided only those 2. Yeah. So once you have that, you should be able to deploy your Lambda in AWS. So we can just now run our terraform command. So terraform init. It'll actually initialize that to establish the connection. Now the connection between your local machine and the AWS will be initialized, and then you do plan. Just check what you have changed, what have you modified, what have you deleted. For our case, I haven't changed anything, so it does say there's no changes needed. But I can actually, just for purpose of demonstration, I can actually change the name here. And if I line plan again, sorry. So let me clear this. Yeah. So if I run the plan, it will actually say what I have changed. And then you can see here, it's actually going to add 1 and destroy 1. So then you can actually, once you're good with that, you can do terraform apply, and then it should actually apply your changes to the AWS account. Yeah, let me clear this again. So terraform apply, just do this, and then it will apply those changes to you. Apply the changes. So because I already applied, it does tell me there's no changes to apply. Yeah, so that's it. So once you do, like I said, it's just 3 things. You download the CLI, you establish the connection, and then you actually deploy your Lambda, or any resource for that matter. So to check our account if that has been deployed, just go to AWS account over here, and actually just type Lambda. No, just click Lambda over here, and then click for the Lambda function. You can see the Lambda is here, is actually deployed. I can actually even test it. Okay, so maybe this is a test 5, and then click test. You can see here the response is 200. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.